Okay, we have a new one. A new opponent. Normal stuff so far. The Slav defense, more normal stuff. A6, okay. I cannot blame him. Okay, and I'm not going to blunder again. Previously another person played this bishop to e6, and I played like a stupid bishop d6, expecting his bishop on d6. But okay, I played a mistake. And right now he's not going forward, so I'm going forward. I think I have very nice initiative. Very strong initiative. What he's going to do? I'm winning material here. What? Okay, and after this, what are you going to do, my baby? You lost the game instantly. What disaster was this one? What disaster? What disaster? Real now. 2350, and he's playing like this. What was that? What was that actually? I don't feel like a special person or something, but why he played like this? Who is this guy? How these people are playing? He didn't know the opening or something? Okay, probably he's not cheating, but okay. Can I challenge him again? Not analysis, come on. Rematch? Because he's playing another game. Okay, we cannot play with him.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.